What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best waxes for cars on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. High Shine Formula, formulated from a blend of natural carnauba, polymers, and resins. Butter Wet Wax delivers an unmatched surface shine and deep wet finish. Safe for all finishes. Butter Wet Wax can be applied to your car, boat, motorcycle, SUV, truck, or RV's paint, metal tells surfaces to clean, shine, and protect. You can even use butter wet wax on top of your ceramic coating for an extra layer of shine and protection. Not recommended for matte finishes. Just like we need sunscreen, your car needs protection too. The sun is one of the most harmful enemies of your vehicle's finish. Butter wet wax helps fight UVA and UV rays to help extend the life of your paintwork. Not just for detailers, Chemical Guys products can be used by beginners and pros alike because our products are so easy to use. Just apply a few drops to an applicator, spread in a thin, even coat, and buff off any residue with a microfiber towel. See bottle for complete product and direction for use information. Trust Chemical Guys. Our company has been built with a passion for shine. We are passion-filled car enthusiasts who work every day to produce products that make things look better, smell better, and make people happy. Butter Wet Wax Liquid Clean Car Wax is proudly produced in Southern California. In our list, the number 4 product name is Megia's Ultimate Past Wax. Megia's Ultimate Past Wax is a premium paint protectant with a synthetic wax blend for maximum performance. The improved formula now delivers even better durability than before. Megia's proprietary hydrophobic polymer technology increases surface tension for relentless water-beading action that lasts. This advanced formula also delivers deep, dark reflections, incredible gloss and shine while leaving a slick finish. This finely tuned wax was formulated to check all the boxes without compromising ease of use. It goes on butter smooth and comes off just as nice, even in the sun. Premium foam applicator and microfiber towel included. Ultimate is also available in a liquid wax. Improved formula. Improved formula delivers a glossier finish, increased protection, and more water-beading action in one easy step. Easy to use wax, easy spread on and wipe off application, even in full sun. Long-lasting wax protection. Advanced synthetic formula delivers a long-lasting protective barrier on paint while amplifying reflection for incredible depth, gloss and shine. Relentless water beading. Hydrophobic polymer technology increases surface tension for relentless water beading. Clear coat safe and effective on all glossy paints and clear coats. In our list, the number 3 product name is Megia's Cleaner Wax. Megia's Cleaner Wax Liquid is a versatile one-step paste wax specially formulated to produce dazzling results on all glossy paint finishes including clear coats. This wax safely and effectively removes surface contaminants and blemishes that dull your finish, including fine scratches and swirl marks, and leaves an impressive high gloss shine. Rich conditioning oils with gentle cleaning ability make this an excellent choice for daily drivers exposed to the elements. Easier to use than traditional Carnauba wax, it can be applied by hand or by DA polisher like Magyar's Tint 300 Dual Action Polisher. For best results, apply Magyar's cleaner wax in the shade to a clean, cool surface. Apply a small amount of product onto a soft foam applicator pad and work in with light to moderate pressure in an overlapping, circular motion, leaving a thin, even coat. Apply more product to the pad as needed. Continue applying product in the same manner over the entire car. Once the wax has dried, remove with a clean, dry Magyar Supreme Shine microfiber towel. Flip your towel to a clean portion for the final wipe. Please be aware that low temperatures and/or high humidity can prolong the initial curing time of the cleaner wax. One way to tell if this liquid wax is dry and ready to be wiped off is by performing a swipe test. Run an index finger across the wax, and if the wax smears, it's not ready to be wiped off. However, if it's a clear swipe, the wax is ready to be removed. Neglected finishes may require more application pressure and passes when working in. In our list, the number 2 product name is Turtle Wax Graphene Past Wax. Introducing the all-new Turtle Wax Ceramic Patent Pending Graphene Past Wax. The Turtle Wax experts have put 75 years' worth of expertise into one wax. The Unsur Past technology competes with the best paste waxes around at a reasonable price. Formulated with a unique blend of 10 waxes infused with ceramic, CO2, and patent-pending graphene. The combined benefits include incredible gloss, slickness, water repellency, chemical resistance along with heat dissipation for increased UV protection. This helps keep water and contaminants from sticking to the vehicle, resulting in a clean, protected, and easier to maintain finish. Unlike most paste waxes, it goes on smooth and wipes off easily. To celebrate 75 years of Turtle Wax, we developed a unique blend of 10 different waxes to create one of the most powerful car wax solutions ever. Infused with Seek CO2 and advanced graphene polymers, this ultra-premium ceramic past wax fills and corrects slight imperfections for a glassy, showroom look that doesn't quit. We know we've tested it against the world's best waxes. And with just one use, you get intense water-beading action for months of durability and chemical resistance. Prepare yourself for the ultimate wow factor with maximum protection, rich color enhancement, and a beautiful, eye-popping sheen. In our list, the number 1 product name is Chemical Guy's Hardcore Carnauba Paste Wax. This product is 47% Carnauba by volume and formulated with polymers to allow for layering. It creates the deepest, wettest, glossiest shine. It is engineered with LTI polymers to extend durability and increase resistance to the elements. It has multidimensional deep shine or car wax, which is owed to the most car wax products. After the introduction of Carnauba into the car detailing industry, pure Carnauba wax is still the choice for rendering the deepest paint shine. This product is easy layered and has amazing shine and strength of durability of a pure Carnauba paste wax. When hardcore car enthusiasts want the brilliant wet shine of a premium wax, they reach for Chemical Guy's XX Carnauba Past Wax. XX is blended with a mixture of premium Brazilian Carnauba and proprietary LTI sealant polymers for added durability. Grade A yellow Carnauba enhances the signature warm wet shine that wax is known and loved for. Spread a coat of XXX Hardcore Past Wax over any color paintwork for a brilliant shine that protects against the harsh elements. Carnauba is nature's sunscreen. It protects palm leaves from the harsh sun, rain, and wind in the rainforests of Brazil. When spread over car parts, XXX repels the UV rays that damage paint and cause fading and discoloration. Chemical Guise enhances XXX with LTI, isolans, and amino functional resins to increase resistance to the elements and prolong the durability of the wax. Wax any car part that is painted, shiny, or clear. Spread a coat of XXX over single stage or clear coated paint finishes on plastic headlights and tail lights, on windshields and side windows, and even on wheels and exhaust tips. Pollution, water, dirt, and bugs have a harder time sticking to wax surfaces, which stay cleaner for longer. Take command over contamination and oxidation with a brilliant coat of protection from XX Hardcore Carnauba Past Wax.